Today I've got two 3-in-1 wireless magnetic charging stations. I was sent these to review, so I'm going to do a full review and a comparison of the INIU versus the Anker MagGo. So let's go. So this is the INIU. I'm shocked how tiny it is. Wow, it's like a pack of cards. It comes with a charging block and a USB-C power cord. That's gonna power this, and then this itself is wireless for your MagSafe and your QI2 devices to charge on here. Then let's unbox the Anker MagGo. Looking very similar right off the bat. Here is the main charging device, so let's just compare those. The INIU is slightly longer, same width. The Anker is much thicker, but in general, very similar size and weight and look, honestly. The Anker, you've also got, of course, the user's manual, the branded wall block, and the exact same type of USB-C charging cord. Right off the bat, they are almost the same thing. But let's go deeper. Opening up the INIU, this is just gonna flip up. That's as vertical as you can get it. So that's gonna be for your phone. It's also a nice stand, like you could use your phone while it's charging on there. You have a charging base right here for your AirPods. And then down here, this flips up like this for your watch. So boom, 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 3-in-1. Ooh. The INIU has this cool cord management here. The angled one is what you're gonna plug into here to power this up. Like so. So that's cool. It kind of stays right next to your, this isn't gonna get bent or anything. Really nice. Let's open up the Anker MagGo. This flips up. Down here, this flips up. So there you go. There's your 1, 2, 3. The Anker MagGo does not come with a cord management like the INIU does, so that's a cool benefit of the INIU. Let's get this plugged in. Likewise, you've got that right angle. That one's gonna plug in, so it will stay nice next to your charging station and not get bent. Here we are side by side. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the INIU has a much bigger area here for your watch. Anker just has this little round one, but both fine. And both of them have that spot where you could sit your AirPods. And then here's a side-by-side of the phone charger on the INIU versus the Anker MagGo. It's a very strong magnet. It's not gonna fall off. And then you can adjust it. This is on the INIU. It's a nice angle, but they're a similar angle, honestly. So that's how that's gonna look. On the Anker, very, very similar. Like, honestly. You can adjust it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so very similar, just little differences. They are both QI2 certified, maximum 15 watts of charging power. Look-wise, function-wise, almost the exact same product here. Like such small differences. The only really thing I'm seeing that's noticeable one over the other is that the INIU does come with the cord management, but otherwise like almost the same thing. Where they differ is the price point though, with the INIU winning big time there. So both of these are great, but just the general price point, the INIU is the winner there. To pack them back up, they're both super, super compact. That is the INIU. The Anker, just really great. Portable size, great for taking with you traveling or keeping at home, organizing your desk. Amazing. I hope you found this helpful.